Hot water and lemon is a beverage many people enjoy in the morning. Although the combination may seem like an unlikely pair, they offer a number of health benefits. 1. Boosts immunity. Hot water and lemon contribute to overall health by providing a good dose of vitamin C, folate and other antioxidants. Vitamin C helps to fight off colds and other illnesses, while folate helps production of DNA and other genetic materials. 2. Reduces inflammation. Hot water and lemon works as a natural anti-inflammatory, which can help reduce aches, pains, and certain conditions such as gout and arthritis. 3. Improves digestion. Hot water and lemon can help with digestion by stimulating bile production, which helps break down food in the stomach. Drinking this beverage also encourages the release of gastric juices, which further aids the digestion process. 4. Aids weight loss. Hot water and lemon can help with weight loss due to its low-calorie content and several other health benefits. It helps to increase metabolism, reduce sugar cravings, and flush out toxins stored in the body. 5. Detoxifies the body. The high concentration of vitamin C helps to flush out toxins from the body, which in turn helps reduce bloating and can help reduce bad breath. 6. Clears skin. Hot water and lemon helps to reduce blemishes, age spots and other skin issues by reducing inflammation and flushing out toxins. 7. Improves liver function. The lemon in this beverage helps to detoxify the liver, allowing it to perform more efficiently. This can help reduce fatty deposits and support healthy liver functioning. 8. Improves concentration and alertness. The vitamin C and other antioxidants found in hot water and lemon can help improve focus and alertness and provide a much-needed energy boost throughout the day. 9. Prevents dehydration. Since hot water and lemon is a diuretic, it helps to remove excess water and salts from the body and prevents dehydration. 10. Supports heart health. Vitamin C helps lower cholesterol, prevents heart attacks and strokes, and helps prevent certain heart diseases. 11. Balances pH levels. Hot water and lemon helps to balance pH levels in the body and can help create a more alkaline environment. This can help reduce fatigue, poor digestion, and other health issues. 12. Flushes out kidneys. Hot water and lemon helps to flush out toxins from the kidneys, which can help reduce the risk of urinary tract infections. The acidic nature of lemon also helps to dissolve kidney stones.